Hello everyone, welcome to another Driven by Lee video. You join me in my office, in my business, LD Autovogue. We're now approaching the end of January. I wanted to take this opportunity to tell you everything that's coming up in the channel because there is some major things happening this year and I want you to know exactly what you've subscribed for and what kind of stuff you can expect. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to basically say, it won't be a very long video, but I just want to kind of explain it really. The first big thing, and this is a big thing, is we have a new facility coming up just for Driven by Lee. As you can see, the picture of the building is now coming up. That building kind of looks like the Batcave, doesn't it? Is a very nice unit, industrial unit, where we're going to be doing some great things. We're going to be doing some project builds because obviously I'm in the automotive industry. So we're going to be doing some crash damaged cars. We're going to be doing some project cars. We're going to be showing how it's all done. We're going to have a few cars for sale, high-end cars that I've expertly chosen, and you will get to see a lot of how that process works. And also, I think it would be super cool if we get some cars and take them on some massive road trips. Like, for example, I've got an Alfa Romeo that's going to be coming up on the channel, an Alfa Romeo GT. I've had it for about 8 years, but never used it. And it's sat there for all that time. We're going to do any work that it needs, and then we're going to see if we can drive it to the Alfa Romeo factory stroke museum in Milan, Italy. So that'll make a great video. I'll bring friends with me as well and we'll video the whole thing. And I think we'll do that with several cars. You know, we could buy a Porsche Boxster, Cayman as a project car, Z4s, drive them to Germany. We're going to feature a lot of that because I love doing big road trips across Europe. So, and I think from videos I've posted previously, you guys do like watching that. So stay tuned because we'll make some great content. And the building as well, we're going to eventually have a podcast studio in there. It's not very big. The building is not very big. It's only 1,000 square feet. So we can't exactly like kid it out, AKA Matt Armstrong at the moment, although I have got that building, but that building is my business, an accident repair centre. So we won't be kind of mixing the two together. It'll be purely Driven by Lee in that building. I'll also be it's a new building. I'll also be showing you exactly how we go around making it into a Driven by Lee unit. So we'll get flooring, we'll get all the equipment in there, we'll get some really nice things in there. And I want to bring you along on the journey. We should have been in there by now, but there was a problem. It's a new build. There was a problem getting the building certificate signed off, so that kind of delayed things. So we're looking to move in there around about the end of February. So I'll bring the whole thing and video the whole lot and kind of bring you with it. But that's quite major news. I mean, we will able to film cars in there as well because predominantly the channel is about car reviews. So we will be doing a lot more of those. And we will able to film them inside the unit as well. So that'll be a great thing to see. We've got some manufacturers coming on board that are helping us out. Lots more will follow news as that progresses, as the channel grows. We're now going to be certainly going to be doing a lot more Volkswagens. The first one's coming up very soon with a dealership that we're now kind of working with, and all the details will come up about that in the up and coming videos. We've got a very nice Audi RS5 that we're reviewing, a 2024. I've actually got that at the moment, so that'll be coming on a future video. My own cars, I mean, let's not forget my own cars. We've got the GT3, we've got the Lotus Emira, we've got the BMW M4, and then we've also got my Nissan Navara, my Mitsubishi L200 Barbarian X, and I want to feature a lot more with those as the year progresses, the road trips and where we're going to take them and get content on those. The other thing, and I've never brought this to the channel, I don't even think I've mentioned this on the channel, is I also have motorbikes. I'm also a biker. I have a BMW GS Adventure, which I do ride across Europe. We'll be doing more of that. I also have like a retro style Kawasaki Z900 RS SE. Again, we'll be bringing that on the channel and doing bike reviews. I mean, I'm a fair weather rider, so the weather needs to improve dramatically before I do that. And also, I am a big radio control model guy. I've actually got my Instagram channel for that. Flashes now come up, Tamiya RC Superstars, where I do a lot of builds. I'm quite well known for it, got quite a following, mainly Tamiya models. I have my little studio at home where I build them. I have a massive collection of them. I think we'll start to feature some of them on the channel as well, how I build them, how they get painted, driving them, how I collect them, because I think that'll be an interesting thing to bring to the channel too. So basically guys, we have got a lot of cool content coming up throughout 2026, and I want to bring you along with me, and we'll be doing collaborations hopefully with other YouTubers, and certainly building relationships with manufacturers. We'll be going on car launches. I've got the BMW one coming up soon. I've got a Porsche one coming up soon. I'm going to try and film as much of that as I can. And let's not forget the car shows. I mean, I'm going to go to as many of them as I can, bring you along with me by filming them. Goodwood, I've never been to Goodwood, already got our tickets booked, we're already booked to go to Goodwood. So I'll be filming all that too. So there is a lot more to come guys, and we'll be doing quirky little things too, and putting a lot of effort in. So if you have subscribed, well done. You will be in for a treat. If you haven't subscribed, maybe you could think about subscribing because you don't want to miss them. Hit that bell icon. Or what do you want me to feature on the channel? If you put in the comments below, good or bad, I'll reply to everyone like I normally do. And we will be back to a lot more car reviews soon. Obviously, it's winter in the UK, the weather's not great. It is harder to do car reviews this time of year, but as you know from last year, we were doing car reviews every week, some really nice cars, Aston Martins, Alpines, we were doing them, Golf GTIs, so they'll all be coming back soon as the weather improves. But we have got an Audi RS5, new Audi RS5 coming on the channel very soon. Like I said, I've got it at the moment, I am driving it around, and I am going to be filming it, so stay tuned for that one guys, and I will see you on the next video. See you soon, thank you.